Buckle up, kiddies. This is real world. Real world YouTube collab. Me versus an actual makeup artist. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you are a subscriber, friend, pal, follower of Crazybeautifulmua, welcome. And if you just randomly hit this, welcome. If you enjoy watching eyeshadow try-ons, collabs, and just supporting smaller YouTube channels, welcome. And thank you for stopping by. All right, I'm super excited, yet I'm not going to lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I am doing my first ever collab with a beautiful, lovely YouTuber who is super friendly, super knowledgeable, and actually watches and supports my channel. Shout out to you, Heather. It's Heather from Crazybeautifulmua. She does other social media as well, like all of them. I think she's got the TikTok, the IG, what does that stand for? Instagram, the Facebook. She has a blog. She is legit a full-time MUA, makeup artist. I know, that's why I'm a little nervous, because she actually knows what she's doing when she puts on makeup, right? I just play, try, and pretend. Why do I have a beauty channel on YouTube? For others in the world like me, who are over the age of 50, love and enjoy makeup, who like playing and trying and getting better and better each time, but we do it for fun. She does it legit as her business. She's super sweet, super nice. We have a lot in common, and yet not so much. She's fair, I'm fair, so yay. I'm super dry skin. She has, I believe, a combination T-zone oiliness. She's super fun, super sweet. What we also have in common, she likes to shop a good sale and do a haul, and so do I. Although where we differ is she legit goes to like Sephora and spends the good money. The good money on the good name brands. I tend to be more, is there a sale? Or is there a mystery box? Or is it drugstore? No judgment. I wish someday, if and when I know when I'm doing better, I will gladly fork over the money for the good stuff. All right, I'm rambling on long enough, kind of stalling. But what we decided to do for our collab is we both own this palette here, which is from Morphe. It's a collab palette with Madison beer, and it is the Channel Surfing Artistry palette. She was so kind. She'll wear purples, bright pinks, greens, or, she does the gamut, where I'm more of a, how shall we call it, neutrals, boring, everyday look girl. Look what she picked out. Isn't that a lovely palette right up my alley? I'm going to try to go as adventurous as one can using this palette. Just for, shiatsu puppies and giggles. All right, I'm rambling on long enough. Please, if you are a supporter of my channel, go check out Crazybeautifulmua. Drop her a comment, subscribe, click the bell, do all that for her, and let her know what's my name, and let her know Wygo Warrior sent you over. And if anyone's over here from Crazybeautifulmua's channel, welcome, thank you. Click the like button. It really does help me out. All right, did I stall long enough? Okay. Full disclosure, this was really nervous for me. This area here, I did an eye look in my Ipsy video. You can check it out. But I'm going to do something different. I was doing a practice run because I'm nervous. But you know what? I'm going to go on the other side of the palette and do something completely different. I'm going to zoom in and put on the music to speed through. Because nobody, I mean, she will do, Heather, like literally like talk, 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 talk. And her makeup's done. I have to sit there and concentrate and blend it out like for 20 minutes. So yeah, I will speed through my part and then focus in on the end look. Sound like a plan? All right, buckle up, kiddies. This is real world. Real world YouTube collab. Me versus an actual makeup artist. Wait, versus? It's not like it's a smackdown. Oh my God. Okay, I'm still stalling. Here we go. What are your thoughts? Yes, I screwed up a few times. The matte shadows are fantastic. This shimmer here, what I envisioned in my mind versus reality on my lids, it didn't glide across the lid like I thought it would. I tried wetting my brush, didn't seem to help at all. Overall, I think the look turned out good. It just wasn't the full-on shimmer I was expecting, but let me know your thoughts. Could I be an MUA someday? No. Anyways, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. Anyone who came from Crazy Beautiful MUA's channel, thank you so much. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Please leave me a comment, and if you see this guy right around there, it looks like this, it would mean the world to me if you would hit that thumbs up button. All right, thanks everyone, and thank you, Heather.